Do you think that the temple will be rebuilt in our lifetime? Yes, BeEzrat HaShem. Of course, the Mashiach will come during our lifetime, and when he comes, he will be the one that will rebuild the Bet HaMikdash. I mean, the Bet HaMikdash, there's a debate of whether the Bet HaMikdash will be built by us or Hashem is going to send it down, but in essence, the debate is not really a debate, but rather, there is already a Bet HaMikdash that Hashem has in Shamayim, and that Bet HaMikdash will come down, but he will bring it down incomplete, because he would want us to become partners in this Bet HaMikdash, so we will add the final stones. We're not going to be building the Bet HaMikdash from scratch. That you could be sure of. The Bet HaMikdash has been something that has been built throughout the last several thousand years, as the Gemara tells us multiple stories of different Chachamim that saw angels actually building parts of the Bet HaMikdash, such as the gates of the third Bet HaMikdash are made of huge diamonds,